Good morning. It's now 5:42 and I still have a lot to do, but first thing first, a pick-me-up drink. I've been having cranberry, watermelon, cranberry, strawberry, cucumber. This morning I'm gonna add a spoon of chia. I'm busy frying the plantains. Husband is going to juice carrot, ginger, and lime. We're gonna add. So let's begin. You're gonna see him doing his thing. Almost finished, sir?
Almost finished.
Almost finished.
Checking the lime. No, lime.
Thank you for your help. Thank you. Estoy en el Uber. I'm a little late, but we're here, and that's a good thing. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for waking up early to help me. So I am here at the house where we will have our sale on our shopping, and there are other vendors here as well. My husband came to support, and I'm going to show you the other vendors. Hello, it's evening now. I had a pretty great day, and I came home to chat with my husband a bit about what the day was like. I was at an event today, and it was absolutely amazing. I sold out quite early, but I was tired because I got early and I started earlier than I usually do. And we were about to go out to get tacos, but it started raining, so we're gonna order something in and we're gonna eat. But before I close out this video, I want to say thank you for watching. It's maybe the shortest video I've done. But I also want to say stay positive and think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful evening, a wonderful night wherever you are in the world. Bye.